Hello everyone, welcome to Jawad Sumro Productions. So, I'm using this InDesign document that I used in my previous tutorial, where I taught how to import the Microsoft Word data into Adobe InDesign without copy and paste. The tutorial link is present in the description. Let's get started. To create table of contents, you need to create blank pages before all other pages in the document. Click on this page. Then, go to Layout, choose Table of Contents style. You will get this window showing you the list of styles. Click New. Let the name be Table of Contents. Let's write Table of Contents over here too. Let the style be No Paragraph style. So, I'm going to populate all the headings in this list. From other styles, find the heading paragraph styles. You see, Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and Heading 4. Let's click on each of these paragraph styles. Then click Add. Now see, your heading styles had been added to the table of contents list. Always make sure that you populate this list in hierarchy levels. For example, I should not add heading 2 first, then heading 1, then heading 4, and then heading 3. This breaks the hierarchy level, which will mess up our table of contents. Let's remove all these headings. Then arrange them back in right hierarchy. Click OK. Click OK. Now, go to Layout, choose Table of Contents. Click OK. See, your cursor has changed its shape. Click on the margins of this page. You see, InDesign has generated Table of Contents. This is how easy it is. Now, let's apply TOC Paragraph style to each of them. You should put each style in hierarchy level. TOC1 for heading 1, TOC2 for heading 2, TOC3 for heading 3, and TOC4 for heading 4. You can see that I had grouped these TOC paragraph styles in this panel. By the way, if you want to learn how to create paragraph styles for headings, subheadings, body text, and so on, I have pasted the tutorial playlist link in the description. This looks so perfect. Now, let's revise this exercise by creating list of figures and list of tables. For that, you need to create new table of contents. Go to Layout, then Table of Contents Styles. You can see Table of Contents is already present in this list. If you want, you can add, remove, and edit this style. But we cannot use the same style for generating list of figures and list of tables. Click New. Let's rename it List of Figures. From other styles, choose Figure Captions. Keep in mind, you should not add any other paragraph styles to this list. For example, if we add Table Captions to this list, then Table of Contents will generate those table captions along with figure captions. For that, you should make new table of contents that contains table captions. Click OK. Click OK. Go back to Layout, then Table of Contents. Choose List of Figures. Click OK. Now click on the margins. See, all the figure captions are generated along with their page numbers. Let's apply list of figure paragraph styles on them. What if I had added table captions in this style? Let me show you. Go to Layout, Table of Contents Styles. Choose List of Figures and Edit. Let's add table captions to this list. Click OK. Now, update the table of contents. You see, the table numbers also appeared below this list, which is actually annoying. So, let's remove this from the list. Now, go back to Layout, Table of Contents Style, List of Figures, then remove Table Captions from this list. Then update the Table of Contents. See, the table numbers are gone. Now, let's do the same for List of Tables. See, we had created Table of Contents, List of Figures and List of Tables in a single long document. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create Table of Contents in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.